All right, we are live.
We're good?
Yeah, let's just make sure that everybody on the internet can hear us. So again, there's about a 30-second lag. Waiting for it to come up on here. If you want to start welcoming people, feel free.
Yeah, so welcome back everyone. I'm Greg Tang. I'm here today. We're going to do more on our awesome home pack and the games that come inside. Two of the games we're going to feature today are Kakuma and Tanga, our two card games. If anyone has any questions, post on the thread as we're doing this. We'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Let me know. Are we all set?
Yeah, looks like people are starting to show up.
Tune in. Awesome. All right. So today I want to introduce you guys to a very special class. This is our main class. I call it my beta group that gets to test all of our games first. Here where we live in San Diego. This is Miss Cromar's 3rd grade class. Everyone say hey. All right, guys. So today what we're going to do is we're going to play out those two games. I need everyone to put their cards on the side of their table. We're going to start with Kakuma. You guys are going to see Kakuma live in action. This game is all about fact families and number bonds. All right, everyone got their Kakuma deck ready? Yeah. All right, we are going to play on the harder backside. Check this out. Question. All right, go ahead. Let's start.
If you don't get,
Here, let's just start.
the other people who don't get
The answer?
right,
Yep.
they have to give
No. All right, we're going to start off with Kakuma Addition at this group right here. All right, ready, guys?
Yeah.
Ready? Sure? All right, ready? What do you see?
6 plus 4.
Very close.
2 is 6.
Very good. 4 plus 2 is 6. Nice job. Ready? One more. What do we got?
Sometimes 4 is 28.
It's a tough one.
Never
I see it.
yourself.
Kakuma 3 times 10 is 30.
Sometimes 5 is 4.
Who sees an 8 as one of the add-ins? You do? If 8 is one of the... Very good. All right, last one on the lighter side.
Kakuma 9 plus 7 is...
Excellent. Nice job. All right, I'm going to be the dealer. Let's keep that going. That's awesome. As a little brief snapshot of Kakuma, let's try some other groups out. Let's go see Kakuma Multiplication, the times version.
Kakuma 2 times 4 is 8.
Excellent.
You keep on getting this small. Kakuma 9 times 6 45. Kakuma 7 times 1 7.
He's fast. He is so fast.
Turn the card.
Kakuma 7 times 8 is 4.
Nice job. All right, let's keep moving. Let's keep moving.
8 times 7 is 8 times 10 is 18.
Yeah.
Nice job. Again, if you guys have any questions, post live. We'll answer them. Just let us know. They'll be coming in. We can see all your questions here, and we'd be happy to answer them as we go.
I got my first one ever.
You got your first one ever?
Ever. Yeah, ever. And competitive. I said that. Don't say that.
Okay.
Kakuma 9 times 2 is 5. You have to give one back. No, I don't. I need to get Wait, you said cut.
Gabe, what do you think of Kakuma?
I was thinking about Kakuma 4 times 9 is 36.
Very good.
Kakuma 9 times 10 is 6 times 7. Yeah.
That was close. You almost had it.
Kakuma 9 times 8.
Nice job.
Yeah. Okay, you get that. Honestly. Kakuma 9 times 4 6.
All right, guys, quick break. Do you guys like Kakuma?
Yeah.
What do you like about Kakuma?
Well, let me tell you what I hate about it. Loki always wins.
Loki always wins. All right. Other than Loki always winning Kakuma, what do you like about Kakuma?
Well, what I like about it is the fast-moving game.
You're
And-
awesome.
It's just really fun.
It's really fun. That's
I
awesome.
like it too because you have to do procedural math really quick, and it's basically like a brain game because some cards might have the same math problems, like
Yeah.
the properties of multiplication got like 6 times 6, and the other card like 5 cards there got 5 times 6.
That's awesome. Do you guys like playing it one-on-one, or do you guys like the team version? Where
I
you're
like
playing
the
as a
team
group?
version because we like the one-on-one.
You do? You like all playing individually?
Yeah, because
Is that the way you're doing it right now?
Yeah, because it's really fun and it's more fast-going and it's more fair. Well, not
Yeah.
less fair. I mean.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. All right, let's keep going.
So question from the community
Yes.
is how frequently are the children in this class playing the game?
How frequently, like in general, or right now?
Just in general. Like
Just
how-
in general, this class has played it a couple of times now. They're pretty familiar with it, and I'd say we play with them at least. We try and play once a month, in where we come into the class. But they're doing these games pretty much every single week in their classrooms. They make it a part of what they're doing on a weekly basis.
Awesome. Fantastic.
You feel like I come in every day? Maybe that's because you're playing every day. All right, we're gonna switch games here. Okay, we're good with that? All right. All right, I need everyone's attention real quick. You guys like that? All right. Who played? Did everyone play the hard side, or did some people play the easy side? Hard side? Okay, I need everyone quickly to put their Kakuma cards on the side of their table. Let's put those on the side, back in the box.
Happy and you know
All right, and I need everyone. We're gonna get out our magnets. Everyone grab your magnet boards and the magnets and dice, and we are gonna start on a game of Tang. So you guys can pick the deck that you want. We can do money, fractions, or measurements. And let's go ahead and give that a try.
Can you do a quick call to action? Have anyone who's watching share with their friends? And
Absolutely. So, thank you guys again for tuning in. If anyone is watching, could you please share this with your friends and family? It'd be awesome. Let's try and get more people on here. If you could throw up some likes also on the page, that would be great. We'd really appreciate it. You guys want to see some likes and hearts on this? You do, right? We want to see some hearts and likes and shares, so that would be great if you guys could do that. Yeah.
You have to say them Tinga before you answer.
Yes. And that way, that'll just be like, I got it. You know what I mean? If you say that, then everyone else knows that you have the answer. Sure. All right. What do we see?
What color are you? No, you roll one. You roll one. And then I go second. I'm sorry.
All right. Who's the flipper? 50 cents. 50 cents. Nice job. Good job. All right. Let's keep it moving.
quick
So,
question.
yeah.
Quick question from the community, Greg. So Rachel asks, I could see where kids that were good at facts would win more frequently. How can this game keep struggling learners engaged?
So basically what we're going to do is we're going to try and group the kids according to their skill level, for one. Two, it doesn't have to be a win or nothing game. It doesn't have to be whoever's first gets to keep the card. The way you can accommodate for those kids is we can play where everyone gets their own chance to answer the card first. So you're going to take turns. And on your turn, we're going to flip a card. That player gets to answer the card, gets a little bit of time to answer the card on their own. And if they need the help from the group can help them answer. So that's one way that we can accommodate it. And then again, the other way, the flip side, is for the kids that want that high-speed, fast-paced game. You can play whoever gets the card first gets to keep it. Another last way is that if you put people in groups, that also really helps with that. So kids want to be, you know, kids who want to play the competitive way but maybe not getting it as fast as the other kids, we can group them accordingly so that whichever team gets the right answer gets to keep the card instead of the individual. So lots of different ways we can accommodate.
Awesome. Yeah, thanks for
Yep, absolutely. All right, let's check out some more stations here. All right, this group's using a different version of the game. They're using the fractions deck. So let's see how they do here. You guys are doing fractions?
Yeah. We're doing all sorts of stuff.
Okay.
This is what was in our deck.
Who sees this one?
Me.
You got it? What do you see?
But we can't tell. But we're playing it like individual.
Oh, individual turn. Okay, whose turn is it right now?
I see it.
What do you see? 2/3 and 2/3. Nice job. All right, you guys got a dice?
Now
Yeah.
tell us. Okay.
Wait for me, guys. No one wants to wait for me. I'm just gonna get measured. That's hardest.
All right, keep it moving. Ooh, trade places.
Yeah, I'm green.
And she's in the lead.
Okay. You said. No, one me. Oh, 2/3. Yeah, 2/3.
So, Greg, really quickly,
Yeah.
quick question from the community. They're asking if there's like bulk options available and like where can you buy this right now?
Right now, you can check us out on Kickstarter. If someone could share the link, we're going to have the link posted up online very soon if it's not already. Basically, what we're doing is we're selling these math packs, these home packs that come with these games inside. And you can get them right now on Kickstarter. They're also going to be available later in the fall on our website where you can buy more in bulk. But for now, we're just doing this really special on Kickstarter where you can buy all the packs at a discounted price.
Awesome.
Yep.
Ooh, what's happening over here?
It's all right. Oh, go back. All right, who's dealing?
No, me. No, because I landed on his. So I don't know.
I said 5.
All right, real quick break. You guys like Namtanga? You do? What do you like about Namtanga?
You could do competition, or you could.
Do you like the matching aspect? Do you like that every card matches?
Yeah.
Which deck of the 3 in the senior version is your favorite?
Money and fractions.
You like money and fractions? Which one if you had to pick one? The money or the fractions?
Money.
We got one fractions, money and money?
Yeah.
Split. Nice job. All right, who's yellow? You guys got to take yellow down. Yellow's in the lead. We got to catch up here.
I'm third.
You're third? Well, there's plenty of time left. All right, let's keep it going.
Alright, can we do that? I just got the exact number I need.
You got the exact number? Oh, it's all right.
It's like, because I pretty much been calling each other everywhere. Now let's do measurement. I was following Andrew wherever he went.
You were?
Now I was following Tessa.
Oh, man. Nice. Yeah.
Okay, if you go trade places, you go back down. Yeah, we're gonna trade you. I got rolled again.
Yep.
No, this is no. 1, 2, 3.
If you were here, were you here?
Yes.
And then you rolled the 3?
Yeah.
Well, you got to keep going forward.
Oh.
You know what I mean? If you're here, we can't go backwards.
So
Yeah, you got to pick who to trade places with.
Me or no? Please.
How we doing?
Yeah, great, fantastic. Dude, were they doing like? Would you want to interview the teacher really quick?
Sure.
I mean, maybe talk about quick few words.
You guys could play Kakuma, like,
No, teeth, you get measurements.
You guys want to like the hallway so they can hear, or right here's good. Right here's good. Yeah.
Well, this is my favorite teacher right here, Jennifer Cromar. I've been working with her all year with the games. She's been a huge help. I want to say thank you so much for letting us do what we've been doing.
Well, I should thank you. As you can see the enthusiasm every time you walk in the door with the games.
Thank you.
Every time we play them, you just become a signature person. In fact, the whole school's excited when you come in.
Oh, thank you. That's really awesome. So, you've seen the games, kind of the whole development of it. What are your thoughts? Do you like what we're doing?
I think it's great. In fact, I'm an advocate of teaching kids math without them knowing it, and this is one of the ways of doing it. And I don't like teaching kids from a textbook. I like them to actually get hands-on and do things, and this is exactly up their alley.
Class all year. We've been doing our games with them, our puzzles. I'm doing a summer camp with Jennifer this year. So here in San Diego, if you guys are ever interested this year or in the future, we're running an awesome math summer camp. And again, thanks so much for having us.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Awesome.
All right, I think that's going to do it for us. I just want to thank you everyone for tuning in. Please share this link with anyone who you know that would think that you would like, that you think they would like these games. They're really fun for classroom, even at home, homeschool, elementary school teachers, anyone who you think would enjoy these games. If you have any questions, again, post in the comments. I'd be happy to answer any questions you guys have.
I have one question from the community right now, actually. If we could grab the teacher again and get the classroom teacher's perspective on wear and tear.
Wear and tear.
So yeah, you see the
absolutely.
right here.
Yep. And just to answer that quick, I'll send it over to Jennifer in a sec. All of our games are extremely durable. So all the materials we used on the cards are not standard paper like you find in a normal playing card deck, stuff like that. We went really, really high quality plastic so that the cards are super durable. They're waterproof and they won't bend. The wear and tear is fantastic over time, unlike any other regular playing cards or classroom manipulatives you might find. But we'll send it over to her real quick. Jennifer, we had a quick question from one of our viewers. What is the wear and tear like on the game? They want to know about the durability.
It's fabulous. I've had these games for a couple years now, and they're like new. They're very durable. It's a nice plastic that isn't shiny, but it's very durable. So yeah, these cards last forever.
Awesome. So yeah,
let's wrap it up.
Wrap it up. All right. Again, one more time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you can check us out on Kickstarter. These games are all going to be available in our home pack on Kickstarter. The link is posted. I believe I just saw somebody post it, and we'll also be posting it throughout the day. Again, this class has been fantastic. I'm so happy that we were able to do this, and we're going to keep bringing you guys awesome games moving forward.
Cool.
All right.
You want to have the class say goodbye?
Yeah.
Let's go back to the front.
All right, guys. We're going to say bye to all of our classes, all the world watching our games right now. Give them a good... All right. Thanks, guys.